Hello, Walnut Creek. I'm Mayor Matt Francois, and welcome to your monthly Mayor's Update. Our City Council hit the ground running this month with several very important issues being addressed at our meeting on January 18th. All of us have really had to reimagine what restaurant dining is over the past 2 years. Our family has eaten outdoors and ordered takeout more during the pandemic than probably most of the years leading up to it put together. And what that outdoor dining experience should be like has been a high priority for our City Council. The city is looking forward to what our downtown should look like after some experimentation with outdoor structures, some with roofs, most with heaters, and all coming with a bit of trial and error. We intend to keep the vibrancy of more active outdoor spaces while maintaining safety for those eating in areas that used to be reserved for parking. Based on input from residents like you and our restaurant and retail partners, we are committed to continuing to work on a long-term outdoor dining guidelines. We also have heard community feedback about the need to balance competing rights at the Planned Parenthood clinic on Oakland Boulevard. Semi-regular protests at the facilities have prompted more than 40 police calls for service over the past 2 years, and some arrests have also been made. Our City Council directed the City Attorney to bring to us a draft ordinance to consider how we might best preserve the rights of all involved. This isn't weighing in on a moral issue, but a plan to balance the rights of women to safely seek legal medical care of all kinds with the rights of protesters to exercise their freedom of speech. We expect to discuss the issue of a buffer zone at a meeting in March. New restaurants are popping up all around the city with exciting options for a wide variety of cuisine. And in some areas, new artwork is being commissioned around the busy downtown corridor. If you haven't seen the new mural topping the old Mel's Diner location, check it out. Work underneath is transforming the restaurant space into a Hot Boys chicken restaurant, the third location for the Bay Area chain. Other new openings lately include Lita, a Latin food restaurant at Bonanza and Locust, and Sakimoto, a sushi restaurant where the old Corners Tavern used to sit. And let's not forget local favorite El Charro, serving traditional Mexican favorites with healthier options at the corner of Broadway and Lincoln. And yes, masks and proof of vaccination are still required for indoor dining. Like all of you, I had hoped we would kick off the new year with the pandemic behind us, and that's not the case. But we are seeing signs of improvement. And Walnut Creek residents, you've done an incredible job of answering the call to get tested, vaccinated, and boosted. Testing, by the way, just got easier. There are more slots available again at county drive-through and walk-in locations, and you can visit covidtests.gov, enter your home address, and 4 home test kits will be mailed to you at no cost. With kids 5 and older now eligible for vaccines, there is hope we can turn the corner. Check out the latest information at the County Health Department website, cchealth.org. It was great to see Walnut Creek on Ice back in operation this year, and the city was proud to help sponsor and support their extended run. A special thank you to the team that organized a Special Needs Day earlier this month. The rink was open exclusively for those with special needs who could enjoy skating, minus the bright lights and music that can be overwhelming to some. 75 people took advantage of the opportunity. Kudos to Walnut Creek on Ice, Walnut Creek Downtown, and the city's own art and recreation team for creating a safe space and a memorable experience. And another shout out to the city's public works staff. Anytime a paving project involves busy Ignacio Valley Road, it's a challenge to get the work done, but have minimal impact on those who use YVR on a daily basis. Crews worked overnights to improve the roadway, and with some lighter than normal traffic flows, were able to complete the project earlier than expected. Speaking of paving, the Ignacio Valley Library has been closed during much of the past 2 years, but will reopen on February 7th with an all-new parking lot. The lot will have additional parking spaces, including an extra disabled parking space, new curb ramps, and walkways. We thank the Walnut Creek community for its patience during the closure and are excited to have both of our libraries open again. 2022 is off to a busy start, and that's a wrap for this month's Mayor Report. I'm Mayor Francois, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon.